Hi, this is Mike, Family DIY TV, and do you have bees? And I'm not talking about Maya the bee. You know, she's a nice bee. I'm talking about wasps. I'm talking about yellow jackets. I'm talking about those bees that sting and they attack you. Ground bees, bees that are in your soffits, bees that are in your roof, bees that are in your siding. I have a solution for you, and it's a very, very easy one. Let's do it. Okay, so let's just get this part out of the way. This is a chemical and it will kill the bees and it's very effective. But you don't want to kill your pollinators, so you want to use this stuff very sparingly. So for the bee lovers, which I am one, you don't want to be putting it on flowers and stuff like that. You want to just use this when you have bees in a place, in a wall or around somewhere where you don't want the bees. And you really want to make sure you're killing just the bees that are not pollinators. So let's get that out of the way. Don't kill your pollinators. Okay, so what you need is a chemical called Permethrin. Now, I know that means nothing, but it's real simple. I'll put a link down below. You can get it on Amazon. This company, Bonide, makes it. It's a powder. You actually poof it like a little bit of a cloud, little bee death cloud or spider death cloud on whatever the hole that the bees or spiders are going into. As they come in and out, they'll bring the powder into their colony and it wipes them out. It's super effective. It's amazingly effective. So you can apply this with just the bottle by just squeezing a bottle and you'll see a little bit of the powder come out, or you can buy a puffer. So you can see that here, you fill the puffer up, you put it in a hole and you squeeze the puffer. It's actually super simple. And this stuff will last you forever because you only use a little bit of it at a time. So you may be asking yourself, how long does it take for the bees and spiders to pack up and leave your siding or your ground or your wall? Well, the product says it works in about an hour, but what I have seen is about 24 hours, you'll stop seeing any activity around wherever the bees were coming in and out. So this stuff works extremely fast and extremely well. And every place I've applied this, I've never seen bees in that same spot. They've come back in other spots, but never that same spot. And you will notice I didn't include any of that Raid or that foaming stuff or the spray stuff. That stuff just doesn't work. I don't know what it is about it. It's almost like you're spraying water on them. I've never had luck. Maybe you have. If you have, leave me a comment down below. I would love to hear which one of those products work for you, but I guarantee this one works better. But that's it. I'm Mike from Family DIY TV. I put a link to the products down below. Go to Amazon, pick them up, and get rid of your bees. Send them packing.